is up, YouTube? Hopefully you guys can see me. We're outside, it's dark. We're gonna turn the lights off, and we got the car warming up right now. So we're gonna do a little bit of two-step and hopefully two-step, and we're revving up. We're gonna see if we get some flames blowing out of it for you guys. So we got it warming up. I don't know if you guys can see. There, now it's warming up. So I hope you guys are ready for it. We're gonna get some flames blowing out of this for you. Just gonna be a real quick short video, guys. Alright guys, hopefully you like the flames. I told you it's going to shoot a little bit of flames. So if you guys like the video, please like, subscribe, share. It helps my channel grow, and we're going to bring you some more content with this car. This ain't the only thing you guys are going to see with this car. There's going to be a lot of content coming soon. So please stay tuned. Like, subscribe, and share. Thanks guys. See you on the next video.